AI is not just coming for your job, it has already taken it. The question is, are you smart enough to learn how to run the machine? Or are you going to get replaced by someone who did? In this video, I am cutting through the noise and giving you the real base AI courses in 2025. The ones that worth your time and the ones that are just hype. So in 2025, AI has proven beyond doubt not to be a side hustle skill, but it is actually a survival. Entire teams are being replaced by someone with ChatGPT and prompts library. So that means if you don't understand AI, you are not just behind, you are obsolete. But what if you learn it? That will mean instantly multiplying your value from tech to business to creative world. AI rules, and that is why the right course matters. Now, here are the base AI courses in 2025. Number 1 is Deep Learning AI, otherwise known as AI for Everyone. This is your crash course in speaking AI. In other words, this course equips you with enough literacy to communicate, make decisions, and also help you not to get lost in tech jargons without necessarily being a programmer. This course is very perfect if you are in business, marketing, and management. It teaches you how to lead AI projects without writing a single line of Python. This course is considered as AI course for decision makers and not engineers. So to learn this course, head over to Coursera platform to sign up. The second course we want to talk about is Andrew Ng's Machine Learning Specialization, and this is still the golden standard. It is not flashy, but it is foundational. So, if you want to understand what is really under the hook of AI, this is the course for you. But here is the hard truth, it is not easy. But if you skip it, you will always be just a surface level AI user. So to study this course, head over to Coursera platform to sign up. The third course is MIT Artificial Intelligence, otherwise known as Implications for Business Strategy. This course is not suitable for coders, but it is suitable for executives. The course answers the billion-dollar question, how do you use AI to transform a company? And so, if you are gunning for leadership, this course makes you dangerous. To learn this course, head over to MIT Professional Education, link in the description of this video. The fourth course is Udemy, otherwise known as Artificial Intelligence A to Z. And this course has nothing to do with theory, it is a hand-on. This is where you will actually build stuff. If you are a type who learn by doing, this is the playground for you. This is cheap, it gives you lifetime access, and also is project-based. It is like AI bootcamp. To learn this, head over to udemy.com. The fifth course is Google Machine Learning Crash Course. This was designed basically to train Google's employees, but it was later given away for free. This is a course where you get TensorFlow experience and practical coding challenges. And so, if you are broke and hungry, this is a course for you. To learn this course, head over to Google Developers right now. The sixth course is Harvard CS50's Intro to AI with Python. This course dives deep into search algorithm, neural network, and reinforcement learning, all in Python. It is actually free for auditors. To learn this, head over to EDX to get started. The seventh AI course we want to talk about is Deep Learning AI plus Open AI, otherwise known as Generative AI Specialization. This is where prompts engineering, LLMs, and creating apps on top of GPT get wild. So if you are a type that cares about bleeding edge, we are talking about AI that create contents, codes, and images, then this course is for you. Again, Coursera platform is where you are going to learn this course. Now, to choose the right course, here is a word of caution. Avoid the trap of picking random courses without really knowing what you want. Instead, be strategic. If you want to build AI, go with CS50 or Andrew's NG. If you want to use AI to grow your business, go with MIT or AI for everyone. If you want to ship projects fast, go with Udemy or Google Crash Course. And here is a pro secret for you. Don't binge courses. Rather, one course, one skill. Try this immediately. That is how you will actually win. Pick a course and start today. And in 5 years, you will either be managing AI or the AI will be managing you. The choice is yours. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will not miss more AI tips and careers. Which course are you starting with? Drop your answer in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And I will see you in the next video.